In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first WordPress contact form. A contact form is an essential tool for your website, allowing visitors to easily reach out to you with inquiries, feedback, or collaboration requests. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, having a well-designed contact form can make communication seamless and professional. So let's dive in and walk through the step-by-step process to set one up quickly and efficiently. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Now let's get started. First, head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Login button. This is the first step to accessing your WordPress account and gaining entry to your website's dashboard, where all the magic happens. Next, you'll see several options to log in. Select Continue with Google. This makes the process faster and eliminates the need to remember yet another password. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, this step will be even quicker as your Google account will be pre-detected. If you have multiple Google accounts, take a moment to choose the one linked to your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard from here. Locate the Quick Links section in the right-hand panel and click on Edit Site. This option takes you directly to the site editor where you can customize and make changes to your website. Now that you're in the site editor, locate your website. Click on it to ensure that any updates you make are applied to the correct pages. This step is crucial, especially if you manage multiple websites under the same account. With your site selected, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Add button. This button opens up a menu of options that allow you to customize your site further. Here's where the real fun begins. From the menu that appears, navigate to the Patterns tab. Patterns in WordPress are pre-designed elements that make it easier to build your site without starting from scratch. They not only save you time, but also help maintain a consistent design across all your pages. Inside the Patterns tab, you'll find a search bar. Type the word Contact into the search bar. This will filter the available patterns and display only the templates designed for contact forms. It's a quick way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through unrelated options. Take your time browsing through the different styles and templates for contact forms. WordPress offers a variety of designs, so you can select one that best matches the aesthetic of your website. Once you've found the one you like, click on it. This action will automatically add the selected contact form template to your site. After the template is added, it's important to test the contact form. Click through each field and ensure that everything works as intended. Check if submissions are being sent correctly to your email or wherever you've set them up to go. This step is essential to guarantee a positive user experience. You want to make sure visitors can reach out to you without any technical issues. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added your first contact form to your WordPress website. Now your visitors can get in touch with you easily and professionally. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.